And here we have prairie dogs, guys. Here they go.
Caddyshack.
They're looking right at us. They got a lot of them in here too.
I gotta get a picture of these.
Look at the teeny ones.
Oh, where'd he go?
They're eating.
Well, actually, it's called Living Treasures Wild Animal Park.
Living Treasures Wild Animal Park. That's what I thought it was. There's one with his little girlfriend, I guess, pulling fleas off of her or something. You got two in the corner over there.
They're going to sleep.
Yeah.
They're just trying to get comfortable. We got three of them over here.
Oh, look at the three of them all together there. That is so cute.
There we go.
There. He says, give me some food. Okay, and here we have a lazy tiger. He's had enough for today. The only one. Okay, we have Marmoset in here. Oh, look how cute he's looking right at you guys. We got one up there.
One in the corner.
One in the corner. They're hard to see because of the glass. I'm sorry.
Two of them up there.
Yeah. Very hard to see with the reflection. Oh, we got him up close. That worked. Oh, there we go. What a gorgeous picture. That's the Marmoset. Oh, that's the... Look at him. Boy, he's just all over. I can't even catch that little fella, guys. They're really moving. They are fast. Oh my. Okay, that's enough of that. We have a sloth hiding in the back corner. So we can't really get all of them because that big old tree branch is in the way.
His arm, he's hanging on to that cage up there. That's a marmoset. Get the bed.
And then we got this fella.
Cotton top tamarin.
And
Look, there's one in the back. There's two of them.
yeah. Okay, here's a big fella. He got a pretty good set of horns on him. What a pretty picture in the tree. Hey, you. You can feed them.
That's how you get rid of these things.
Yeah, really. Sorry, guys, a little shaky with the camera trying to feed the animals, too. Look at him go. Oh, my gosh. He says, I'll take it. He got them all in one bite. He knows what he's doing.
There's a pig. Whatever he is. What is he? There's a zebra.
He's big. He's got to eat a lot. Oh, look at the stripes on him. He's one of those, what were they called? I can't remember now. Darn it. And here we got the tiniest, sweetest little deer, guys. Oh my gosh. And my hubby's big head in the way. There we go. Oh, he's cute, isn't he? Wow. He's just a tiny little thing.
You want another one?
Okay, then we got a couple really good-sized porcupines, guys. I threw some food in there. They were sleeping, and then they heard that, and they came right out. A white one and a black and white one. Oh, there's three of them. Oh, my goodness. It's hard to believe them big things fit in that little tiny area. Wow.
I've never seen a real porcupine before.
Yeah, they're big, aren't they?
Yeah. I certainly wouldn't want to get stuck with one of those quills.
Okay.
Over there. I'm right up.
Here we got camel rides here. Someone taking a ride.
Yeah, and the lady.
Where's the other one, hon?
You're right up over there. By the fence.
Oh, okay. Okay, here we got another good sized camel. He gets a carrot. All right. Okay, and here we have a couple of fox. Once again, very hard to see because of the glass. There we go. Wow, look at them ears on them things. They're pretty.
Right up there.
And here we go, guys. A bunch of bats. A whole bunch of them. Wow, how awesome. Never seen them live. Isn't that weird? I always said my husband had bats in the belfry. There they are.
Those are children.
Okay, and in here we have monkeys.
They're waiting for food, but we don't have any for you.
Yep, not allowed to feed these ones.
Doesn't say what kind of monkey they are.
Is there just the 2 of them? 3 of them.
Oh no,
There's one.
There. You thought, oh, 3.
Ooh. You come up a little close. He says, oh boy, I got dirty.
Well, he found a little something to eat. So he cleaned it up. There's another one up there.
Yeah, I got that one. Oh, he's going to climbing.
4 of them in there. Here he comes.
Hey, here we got a tiger. This one's not as lazy as the last one we saw. He's a pacing.
There's another one over there.
Ooh, that's a white tiger over there.
That's what it looks like.
Go over here and see if we can get a shot of the white tiger. Look at that little guy.
Squirrel monkey.
Squirrel monkey. Aw. On our way to see the white tiger.
Oh yeah, he's smiling for you.
Oh wow.
Hey buddy.
There he is. Ooh, gorgeous. Don't get to see a white tiger very often. And make my picture bigger so you can get a good look at him. There he is. Come on, look this way, fella.
Something's bugging his mouth. There you go, buddy. Smile for the camera.
Gorgeous. All right. Here we got some mules. Guess who that was, guys? There's a little baby one over there. One little baby mule. Cute. Hey there, fella. You can smile
You
for
want
the
some more?
camera?
You want some more? Huh? Here it comes.
And here we've got a couple otters, guys. That's really going to be hard to get them up. There we go. You can sort of see them. The other one went way over there. Where'd it go? I can't get it.
He's on the rock. He's coming back. He's right here.
Oh, there he is. All right. Guys, look at the little babies. Oh my God, they're so cute. Oh, I want to take them home. They are really cute, so tiny.
They love the attention apparently too.
Yeah. Aww. Really, really cute they are. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of those rabbits. Wow. Look at that fella. Where's the big one? Oh, look at there. Oh, wow. He's huge.
There's his mate over there.
Oh
His
my
twin.
goodness. They're so big. I don't think I've ever seen quite such big rabbits. Year of the Leaper, guys. Remember that movie, Year of the Leaper? That's what they are, boy. Here we go. We got some big pigs. And some big side effects. Sound effects. Why do I always say side effects?
Why are you talking to me?
Oh, they're pretty sassy. They're pretty. Boy, he's looking right up into the camera too.